Alam mo, stress lang yan. Minsan kailangan lang natin long ride, magandang beach. Consider mo to, West Pangasinan. Maraming tourist spots dito sa West Pangasinan. Parang two most popular, yung Alaminos at yung Bolinao. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Choice natin ngayon is yung ating Spacia. Not much compartment compared dun sa mga K-vans natin, but it's okay, hindi naman natin kailangan ng maraming gamit. We'll just be spending 2 days, a night perhaps. Who knows, we extend, but we have more than enough. First stop natin, Alaminos, Pangasinan. 290 kilometers from our place. Medyo maluwag naman yung highway nila. But yung mga inner roads, masisikip. Maraming places na pwedeng puntahan. Masarap ang pagkain. But you cannot miss the 100 Islands. Maraming islands na pwedeng puntahan, but I suggest if you have kids, Children's Island and Marcos Island. Children's Island, very chill lang. We actually spent 2 hours here. Babad lang, hindi masyado mainit. Pahabaw lang yung tubig, pwede for the kids. Next stop namin, Bolinao, 40 kilometers away. 1.5 hours travel. Maganda rin yung mga dagat. Malinis. But if you're planning to swim here, better kung may aqua shoes ka. Maraming bato. We stayed here for a night. Dito kami nag-dinner sa floating restaurant sila. Then the following day, we visited naman yung mga falls nila. Now if you have again kids, much better yung falls 3. Mas mababaw. My son was actually able to swim na hindi delikado kasi nga abot niya naman, but other falls medyo mas malalim. Yan, umuwi kami basang sisiw, but it's okay, we're happy. Yung kalsada going to Bolinao Falls medyo masisikip. Advantage yung K-brands natin. As for the fuel consumption, we registered 20 kilometers per liters. So, nakarating kami ng Alaminos, then Bolinao, nakaikot ng Bolinao, nang hindi nagpapagas. Ngayon, we're going back, magpapagas kami syempre. Konti na lang yung gas namin para safe din.